Did you know you can start building passive income without spending a single dollar? In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 passive income ideas that anyone can start in 2025, even if you're starting from zero. These are practical, beginner-friendly, and they work worldwide. First up, print on demand. You don't need inventory, equipment, or upfront money. All you do is upload designs to sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. When someone buys your design on a t-shirt or mug, the company prints and ships it. You just collect the profit. If you can't design, don't worry. Tools like Canva or even AI image generators can do the creative heavy lifting. Number 2, a faceless YouTube channel. You don't have to be on camera to succeed on YouTube. Many channels use voiceovers, stock footage, or AI-generated visuals. Pick a niche like personal finance, motivational content, or productivity tips. Upload consistently and monetize later with ads, affiliate links, and digital products. Third is affiliate marketing. It's simple. Recommend a product or service and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Amazon Associates, Fiverr, and software companies all offer programs. You can promote through a free blog, social media posts, or even YouTube video descriptions. Number 4, stock content. If you have a smartphone, you already have a tool to capture photos and short clips. Upload them to sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Every time someone licenses your photo or video, you get paid. Caribbean landscapes, food, and culture are underrepresented, which means opportunity. Fifth, digital downloads. Planners, templates, ebooks, and checklists can all be created once and sold forever. You can design them for free using Canva, then list them on Gumroad or Etsy. For example, a budget planner, fitness tracker, or even a recipe book. 6th, self-publishing on Amazon KDP. You can write short guides, stories, or even low-content books like journals. AI tools can help generate drafts, but always polish them to add originality. Once published, people can buy your book globally, and you'll earn royalties each month. And finally, blogging with ads. Create a free blog on WordPress or Blogger. Write SEO-friendly articles on a niche topic. Once you build traffic, you can apply to Google AdSense or Mediavine for display ads. Combine this with affiliate links, and your blog can become a long-term passive income machine. So there you have it, 7 passive income ideas you can start with $0 in 2025. Which one are you most interested in? Let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to track your progress, I've created a passive income tracker you can download for free. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.